Moving on, India's northeast region is known not just for its natural beauty, but it is also home to some of the country's most beautiful women. Today we introduce you to a mother who embodies beauty with brains and was recently crowned Mrs. United Nations 2017. Let's have a look.
Over the years, women from Northeast India have made incredible contributions to the fields of art, literature, music, sports and fashion. When it comes to the field of fashion, girls from this region are making a mark both at the national and international levels. Meet Roshni Hassan, 31-year-old hailing from Assam's Guwahati city that left no stone unturned to grab the most coveted title of Mrs. United Nations 2017, who represented India in Kingston, Jamaica.
The whole team of Mrs. India Earth, they selected me to represent India in Mrs. United Nations pageant, जो हाल ही में हुई थी जमैका किंगस्टन में. So I really did a lot of preparation, and I went there, I participated, I competed with a lot of women from all over the countries, from all over the world, and I'm the winner now. I'm Mrs. United Nations. I also got People's Choice Ambassador Award. Online मुझे बहुत लोगों ने voting किया था. I got the highest votes. I'm happy कि मैंने इंडिया के लिए crown लाया है.
Hassan wears many hats. She is a businesswoman, a writer and a social activist. This is not the first time that this mother of a 5-year-old has won a beauty pageant. She was adjudged second runner-up in Mrs. India Earth 2016. Ever since, there has been no looking back for Hassan. She gave up her job of 8 years in the construction sector to represent the country in such prestigious pageants. Hassan has been constantly supported and encouraged by her family in her journey so far.
कभी ये लाइन में वो थी ही नहीं. पहले दफ़ा जो मिसेस इंडिया आर्ट के लिए 2016 में दिल्ली में गई थी, जहां वो पार्टिसिपेट की, 40 फाइनलिस्ट से वो 10 टॉप में आ गई. उसके बाद में उसे सेकंड रनर्स अप का खिताब दिया गया. लेकिन जब मिसेस यूनाइटेड नेशंस के लिए 2017 के लिए रवाना हो गई, उसे सेलेक्ट किया गया, तो मैं यही चाहती थी जो वो जीत के आए.
Hassan believes that women are an essential part of the society and must always work to achieve their dreams despite all odds, explore their talents and fulfill their aspirations.
ये कहना चाहूँगी, सिंस मिस बहुत हो रहे थे, आगे बहुत मिस ये पेजेंट्स बहुत हुआ है, but then nowadays मिसेस पेजेंट्स are coming up a lot. आप सुनते होंगे मिसेस यूनिवर्स, मिसेस वर्ल्ड, मिसेस यूनाइटेड नेशंस, मिसेस ये, मिसेस वो. मैं सोचती हूँ बहुत अच्छा ही हो रहा है जो हो रहा है, क्योंकि वी विमेन, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग घर के अंदर ही रहते हैं, चार दीवारी के अंदर, स्पेशली आफ्टर हैविंग अ किड ऑल्सो. आई वांट टू गिव दिस मैसेज टू एवरी वुमेन आउट देयर कि वी विमेन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल इन आवरसेल्व्स. आप लोग घर के अंदर ही मत रहिए, जिसकी जो टैलेंट है वो आगे लाइए.
Hassan succeeds Wendy Russo of USA, Mrs. United Nations 2016. She also won the People's Choice Ambassador Award in the same contest. She is associated with Pinkathon and a non-governmental organization and aims to work for the betterment of the society. Hassan considers herself as an achiever rather than a winner, as she believes a winner is not an achiever, but an achiever is a winner. This philosophy is also what keeps her going. Success stories of women like Hassan serve as inspiration to other women in the country.